It's a humming sound that appears to be coming from the sky, or some say the underground. Life Extension YouTube channel when she was able to capture what appears to be a different sound.
They have been going on for over 20 minutes. It has been shaking the entire house.
Now, after reading the comment section, some people believe that these noises are actually fireworks, and others say that it's explosions coming from the underground. Moments after, aircrafts can be seen following its path. And researchers say that this is just an illusion. Now, in one of my previous videos, I explained how Javier, a TikToker, is posting videos from the future.